Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm going to show you how you can save a draft post to your Instagram. Maybe you craft the perfect Instagram post, but you're not sure if you want to post it quite yet. Well, hey, that's fine because you don't have to undo all that hard work. You can save it as a draft post. You'll see that I have this post here of my beehive, and I kind of like it, but I'm not quite sure if I want to post it yet. I'll even make some edits. I'll maybe change a filter. I'll hit done. I'll hit next. And I can even type in a caption. Maybe I'll say something like, beehive rocks.
What?
And that's weird and cool, but what if I'm not quite ready to post it yet? Well, that's fine. I can hit on the back arrow, I can hit on the X, and you'll see I have the option here to save drafts. But the problem everybody has is, where does that draft go?
Do you ever find you're drowning in the noise of social media management? Well, with Agorapulse's advanced social listening, you can find out exactly what your audience is talking about, so you can stay afloat. Dude.
Well, it's definitely not what I would call obvious. In fact, the best way to find it is to go back into your posting menu, and you'll see here all the options for me to post, and you'll see this little tiny grayed out word that says drafts. I'll click on that and you'll see all of my saved drafts located right here. I can click on this draft and you'll see, there you go. It's saved all of the things I've already inputted. If I added a location or a song, it saves that as well. It's super, super handy if you want to have your draft still ready to go. But what if you're posting a lot of different things and you got a lot of different drafts on the go and it can get a little bit confusing? Well, that's where something like Agorapulse comes in, where you can actually schedule out draft posts on Instagram in your social media calendar. That's right, you can put your draft post on the specific day of the week you want, the time of day, just put in some filler text or filler image, and there you go. It will basically work as your very own idea calendar, and you can see, hey, I want to come up with a post about, I don't know, beehives on Friday. It's super, super easy. It makes your life a whole lot better because you don't have to get confused with which post will go where, which post do you post first. It's just too confusing. So check out a free trial of Agorapulse today in the description below so you can get started with your very own Instagram draft post calendar, not just draft posts. But anyway, that's how you do Instagram drafts, and that's how you retrieve your Instagram drafts, which is way too difficult. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.